Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla. Alright everyone, you don't know who this already, it's Skilla again, you see it. This time we're gonna take a walk from out of Jamaica. We're gonna take a look inside of another fellow in Caribbean country, you know, Trinidad and Tobago. Now, from the history of time, man and woman, the whole love triangle thing always cause a problem. So I say to you, now, me see on the media where them say that this man, he might try if him say like the social media, I say like them catch this man with a woman. But when I really analyze this video, it no look so to me. You see what I say? So that is when time I say, nah, sir, I have to ask my people them what go on. You see, because this no look like how they might try to make it look. You see what I say? So this is something what happened at Trinidad and Tobago, where the man keep on saying no know what you talk about. So when look on this and tell me if I really a love triangle or a disrespect that man, disrespect the woman and the other man I try to defend her. Alright? Bear in mind, a slight little violence there, so you know what I mean? Remember, if you can't take it, the violence, not really watch it, alright? Yeah, observe.
Rebel, walk upstairs.
Watch out, you don't want to back and look, boy. You get better call me to this. To come remind me to look for me, boy. Boy, you get better come remind me to look for me, brother.
Is Rebel is back and all?
You ain't know what I'm talking about, boy. You ain't know what I'm talking about. I tell you, you don't know what I'm talking about.
You see why I'm a fucking phone? She should have talked to my me.
Action.
What she should have talked to my me? I need my fucking phone. What cute?
They
don't want to play with you, you know.
Huh? She right there.
Yeah, really.
You know?
Huh? Yeah, because he have part of my business while working in my club. He's a part owner. Fighting for a woman. And the motherfucking woman you have. Rebel, come now. Rebel, walk. Walk. Hey.
Yeah, well, let's start watching now. You know what? Why the man don't know what you're talking about, boy? Come on, man.
What kind of fucking shit is this all, boy? Do you want to call the police? Brian. I'm Brian, right? Yeah. Move. Oh my god! Alias, stop the man.
Terry, you ain't doing nothing, boy. You can't go and come in my house, boy. Terry, you can't go and come in my house. Alisa, look. Terry, leave her alone, man. Leave her alone, man. Come on, Papa. You come here for the back and the back. You come here for the back. Terry, you come here for the back and the back. Alisa. coming upstairs, right?
Yeah. You see, this is what I talk about. Look. This man keep on say him no know what this man a talk about. Now if a man catch a man with him woman, you know, me not think him a go depend like him a say, yo, you do this or you do that. You get what I mean? If him catch her, you see it. And then what make it worse on top of it is that me see the woman come to him and hold him and like him a say, come in. So most likely that goodly be the woman. I'm not certain, you see what I say? But the background of this doesn't look like it's a love triangle thing to me. It more look like the man must disrespect a woman of his. And you might be frightened if you know so it's not even it's the woman. It's not even a love triangle thing. It's a goodly all mother and disrespect. Alright, let me tell you something again now. Me remember a couple of years ago one time one woman tell her boyfriend say the man disrespect her a certain way. You see me I said then the time you know it's because she knows say her boyfriend are one of them bully, bad dog. You see me I say one of them man they will chuck it, so she try to use fame strength, right, in order to go hurt the man what she don't like. Pity the boyfriend don't know say the man where she had set him up for go hurt is a man where she had him used to involve in a something. You see me I say, but because she want a certain amount of revenge, she just draw a card. When I say draw a card means she tell a lie upon him. You see me I say, and get the other new boyfriend now to hate him. You see me I say, and it never take until. No, let me tell you something. It's like I just the work of thy father. That's the man that end up in a fight. It take about almost a year before that new boyfriend actually hear what really going on between she and that man. And put one and two together and realize it's a revenge thing. So them thing I may talk about with people, yo. You see people, you see me because when I go blame woman, you know, me time to tell them this, you know, because me notice people always try to separate and talk about a so woman tan and a so man tan. And now nothing to do with no gender thing for the last time, brethren. You see me? Because remember you have gays, you know. You have gays and even gay people do the same thing. So it don't have nothing to do with gender, it have something to do with the person. You see me I say, you have some people can't loyal. You give them everything, them loyalty not dead. You see me I say to you? You see me, you live with a woman for many years and she have all 2-3 pitney for you. And the one DNA test you do, you're frightened for no, so the one pitney we have for you are the one where you least expect. You see how life go. So let me tell you something, man. You don't have to do gender. You see me I say, woman or man will use them partner to get a certain amount of revenge upon another ex. You see me I say? Now what me just said to you, you know, is only an example, you know. It have nothing to do with what just happened. You get me I say? It's just a basic like example for show you certain things. You see me? But you don't know anything. You see me? Alright. Me don't talk right now. Me not give no more talking or chatting right there. So I don't want nobody feel like say them and say, yo, this killer I can't blah, 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 blah. But I just want them think them ever talk, you see me, because that this make for me and you for interact talking. You see me I say to you? Yeah man, and I talk about talking too before me go I want to big up a few people. You see me I say? Malana, big up yourself. You see me I say? Yeah man, you always did the Gaza Strip. Yeah, you see me? Gaza Strip. And quite a few more people. You see me I say? McLeod, you know? Only power more big up. You see me I say? A little celebration thing I come up to. Yeah, me soon tell you about that, alright? But anyways, back to that video here. I want you to tell me what you think. You know, leave in the comment, you see me I say. And use the acronym if you have to express yourself. You see me I say, like a WTFR, so don't use no harsh language. You know, keep it family friendly, you see me I say. Although pick enough for the website and them thing there, you see me? And as always, if you're brand new to my channel, you can just you know, just pick the subscribe button like that. You see what I say? But I crack your phone screen though still, you see it? Alright? Alright, cool. And if you need to contact me, you know how to do it. Read the description down below. That's how you think, guys. You see me? My name is Skilla. And that way just say Dancehall Skilla ENT. Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla!
Yeah, man.
Hey yo, Skilla!
You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.